Hello guys, today I would like to share a manual Tourbillon to you. The model of this watch is 1028. The GMT Moonphase dial is paired with exquisite hand engraving. Visible tourbillon movement is very beautiful. 42mm satin polished case, round and delicate luster. Exquisite skeleton movement. 19 joules, vibration frequency 28800 hour, power reserve 42 hours, full lift angle 53 degrees, real leather belt, Italian calfskin belt, comfortable and breathable, flexible, comfortable and breathable, design suitable for different wrists.